How to set up your Tradingview, best practices, some tips and tricks. On request, a quick rundown. I've adjusted my chart to have the standard layout like you should have it when you start your Tradingview. And yeah, to adjust everything, just right click, go into the settings, and then here you can adjust the symbol. For example, the colors I use most of the time, it's just standard like this. Zack. Then you can take off the electronical trading hour shading, boom, to make it more clean. From here on, we jump onto the canvas, make it white. Remove the background lines. You can not see them anymore because I adjusted it to white. Can adjust the text a little bit, the lines on the chart. And that's it for the basic stuff. And from here on, we have to the left hand side our charting tools. Many different options, many different tools, and you have the possibility to go inside a section, mark it with a star, and then it will get transferred to your quick tool access bar. No? And for example, what is important, like boxes are important here to divide it in quarters. I often use the pathway just to follow or illustrate the trend. And yeah, many different tools like some marker, horizontal lines, like the complete horizontal line, then only like the line to a fixed point. Some more free lining here to mark out some trend line liquidity. And not everything here in my box is important. Then we have, for example, the Fibonacci retracement in different layouts. For example, here is just the standard Fibonacci retracement where you can see the important levels of about here 0.618 or the halfway point, but I also use the standard deviation model where you can get measured moves because the markets move harmonically and in given volatility. And for example, if you have here a pronounced move, you can measure it, and then you see like in the given market volatility we reach the measured move of 1 and then it reversed. But all that and the little intricacies they will follow in later lections. This is just about the setup and how to use Tradingview. So set up your chart, click through the charting tools, then you can put them in your quick access box and you can customize everything. For example, okay, I want my lines to be more thick, different color, whatever. It's all to your liking, and yeah, you can just do it here also in the settings. Then you can also add some text. Let's go to liquidity, for example. You can choose, do I want it to the right side, to the left side, do I want the text in the middle, do I want it up or down. In general, you can customize everything. You can customize your boxes, color, midway point, do I want the border, do I want the text in the box, and so forth. Okay, then what do we have also here on the left side is like the magnet. I use the light magnet mode. What does it mean? When you take your tool and then you go to important price point, you see like the crosshair fixes to the point, so you get the right price level you want it to attach. If you take the strong magnet mode, it can be too strong, the light one is perfect for me. Then you have the continuous drawing setting, and that means if it's turned on, I choose my drawing tool, it stays on until I stop it with a right click, and then I can go back into my charting. For example, if it's turned off, I take the tool, I make one line, and then I'm out. I need to do it again and again and again, and that's not very useful. Here you can hide your drawings, your indicators. Well, for example, sometimes you just want to hide all your drawings, sometimes you want to hide the indicators, or you want to hide everything to get a clear view on the market, you know, when it's really loaded. Let's take, for example, this one. Let's load some stuff up. I just click randomly. Okay, then you say like, okay, I want to get a clear view. Okay, get everything out. Okay, blah. No? Or of course you can just take them out one by one. Here is the trash can. Here you can choose delete all drawings, delete all indicators, delete all drawings and indicators. Zack. And then you can go by your day. Here in the left bottom corner you can activate and deactivate the quick access toolbar. Blam blam. Alrighty, and then we have here in the top left corner our ticker symbol. Here you have all the different assets, stocks, futures, forex, blah blah blah, and then you can just type in whatever is needed and see the different tickers. Here you have all the different time frames. You can click on it. Here you can also make them favorite, so they appear here in the top corner in the quick access. And if I take them out, it would just get smaller and smaller and smaller. And so these are all the ones I use. Here on the side you can choose the different chart layouts like candles, volume candles, Heiken-Ashi candles, a line chart, a time price opportunity chart. Can I have it right now? Yep. And many different things. Here are the indicators. Alrighty. Then you have the replay mode where you can just go back in time and then let the chart play out. The favorite tool of some fakers. Bye bye. And then here the layout configuration. You can make like a multiple window thing. Can whatever get like 10 different windows. Oh no, it's gonna. Okay, that needs an even higher subscription. Okay, but it's not even needed. Go back. Then we have here snapshot. Okay, I can create a snapshot. Very useful, because sometimes someone gives me a screenshot and he goes here like a quick little thing, but the best is always to use the Tradingview screenshot, so we get the whole frame and the whole picture with the price, the time, and just have the complete view of the market. Then we have here publish. You can click on it and then you can even make a video idea, record a video, and it will be uploaded inside of Tradingview. And then you can just share a Tradingview link where your video and your analysis is inside. And I also like this. I sometimes use it. If somebody has a question to me, I just make a quick inside Tradingview clip and then link it in the Discord. And then, for example, you have the trend line, okay, and you want to make it straight. You can hold shift and then you get like the straight line or the 45% angle or the downside, and yeah, so you can just get some nice straight lines. A part of that, you can hold your control. Nee, it's also the shift without anything activated. Then you get the ruler, where you can also measure movements in points, in percentages, or even in time, how many candles have passed. And there's also the time displayed on the chart. It's like here on the left side. See here the measurement tool. And yeah, I use it also every day. For example, I'm here in the chart, then I look at the movement. Wait, let's give me the sessions. Boom. Then I see, oh, Asia had a very good drop, and then I look, oh, over 200 points. So I know there is like some good volatility going on, and I can adjust my risk accordingly. And then I see like, okay, London session also had a very good move of 150 points. There is a lot of good movement and volatility. And what can we see here is like we have this major liquidity sweep. From the major liquidity sweep, we got the trend switch. I mean, this has nothing to do with Tradingview, but just because I saw it, and then you got some long. But you can also see, okay, but this last point, because it has nothing to do with the Tradingview setup, but we have our key price levels. For example, the last day again got divided in the high, the low, and the previous day equilibrium. And that's why I say the previous day is a very, very important framework for the intraday trading, because as we can see here, the day opened up, we got two important key levels, the weekly / daily open, previous day equilibrium. We see the markets going up, retesting it. We see here the trend going down, retesting the old low, retesting this important price level, and going down, going up. Here it's the lower time frame shift, going up, retesting the old low, and now continuing further down. This plays in our weekly preparation, and we might see our target or possible target getting attacked, the bottom of the range. But yeah, that's not part of the game right now. So I'm gonna summarize again for me and for you. Setting up the chart, having our tools, how to customize them, how to get them into the quick access bar. The magnet, everything set, the time frames, the tickers, the candles, the indicators, the replay mode, layout, screenshots, videos. The right side has a little bit more. We can here make our own watch list. You have here the possibility to create a watch list, click on the plus, add whatever you want into your watch list. For example, I have here many different futures ticker, but also the dollar, and just symbols you want to watch or you might want to trade. The rest I don't really use. I'm sure there are also some other nice gadgets, but this is the everyday use for me. Then when you are on the NQ symbol, we have the continuous contract, that is the NQ1 with the exclamation mark. And here all the different contracts from the Nasdaq are displayed as one. And then you have the possibility on the right side to B adjust. This needs to be turned on, so we have the correct data displayed. This is also an important setting when you are on the continuous contract. Okie dokie. So after this summary, we went ring around, and just here at the top, you can open more layouts, make different layouts, And that's about it. And the next video will be about analysis of the price action. I wish you a nice day. Just a quick video on request. Peace.